Hey guys, a little bit of a different video. I'm gonna go over some trade setups because yeah, from next week on I'm gonna start trading as well. I just buy monthly for my longer term portfolio, but I also want to start trading. In the beginning it's just gonna be with like 1,000 or 2,000 euros. Um, but I think I'll just do 1,000 euro positions and then maybe like 2 positions at the same time. First, NuScale Power Corporation, like I said in the video about it, it's gonna be either an ABC here or an A wave here in the blue scenario, or if you want to be bearish, we want a wave 1, and inside wave 1 we want to see 5 waves as well. Inside a wave A, we want to see 5 waves as well. Inside an ABC, we want to see 5 waves in your C, so this looks to me complete, okay? We are in Fibs now. For both scenarios, we are oversold on the 4 hourly, we have bullish divergence on the 4 hourly, not with this secondary low, but we have it from here, so we don't have it like from this low to this low, or maybe we do. We actually do, but just very slightly, but still we have it from this low. And then yeah, also internally, if I zoom in, inside this wave 5 we have also got a 1 2 3 4 5 now, okay? So maybe we can get like one more dip, but I think yeah, I'm gonna enter this one Monday, maybe even in the pre-market if the broker that I use allows it, because it allows it on some stocks, not on every stock. But if not, then yeah, I'll just wait market open and then I'll try to look for a nice low candle. For me, we have to look at volume and we have to see, try to get like an engulfing volume candle on the 1 hourly, for example, okay? That could be an indication of the low being in. Because this looks like maybe one more dip is, like one more low is coming, not a dip. We might just wick. And I have this box here taken from this fib to this fib as a target for this wave 5, okay? Not from this fib. I took it wrongly, my bad, wait. That was the internal, that was the internal wave 5, but now that I said that, I can also, now that I say that, not said that, now that I say that, I can also add these fibs, okay? So the first one has already fallen in both cases. So yeah, like this. And then maybe I can also use another way to calculate fibs for wave 5. Like this is another box, and then I want to also use this. But I don't think this one is gonna happen. This one is pretty deep considering we are very oversold. This is taken from the larger 1 2 3 4. So yeah, this gives me some more levels. If we start Monday week, I might watch these levels. We have another fib there as well, okay? But I'm gonna enter a position. Maybe even if the market just opens very strongly, I'll open it here, but I prefer to see something like this. Do I have a nice example? For example, here, this candle, this green one, after which we started to push. Look, we have an engulfing volume candle, okay? Here in the low as well, engulfing volume, and with engulfing I mean the volume candle of this low candle is higher than the previous red one, okay? So I'm gonna try to look for something like that. And of course I'm not gonna place a 0.5% stop loss because it's for me very obvious this has to move up a little bit. I'll give myself a little bit of room. Next one is energy fuels, and with that one, should we be able to get above this point of control and hold it, then I might enter a position with the backtest, because look, we backtested it here, we failed. We backtested it here, we failed. Here we didn't even close above it. So if we can get back above it, I expect a backtest again, and then I can enter there with a very tight stop loss, because this is an obvious level, okay? It has proven itself already multiple times. So this level sits at 15.50. That's it. Hope you liked the video, and I'll do this one, like these type of videos every weekend now, because yeah, I'm gonna look every weekend for something else. I'm not gonna day trade. I'm gonna try to, yeah, not rush it, you know, just look for best, highest probability setups and then trade them. And if they take longer than a day, then a day take longer than a day, okay? Sometimes to play out, like I wanna get 3, 4, 5% of profit. So sometimes one day just nothing happens, then I'll just have to wait. I'm not gonna be like, yeah, stressing about day trading and blah blah blah. Bye bye.